I got a cup of coffee?
No.
Cup of tea?
No. You didn't have break time, so we can't give you one.
Now get them all in 5'5" to be up here. Fine, you have to be a taller than me. Who's me? How tall are you? No.
Yes, he is, actually.
That's Homestead.
You got a pimple right there.